Hello guys and welcome back again. In this tutorial I will show you how to merge layers in Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get ahead and create our projects by clicking on File and then New, and let's choose a preset from Photoshop template. If you want to create your own project with your own customized preset and properties, just click on any one of these and change the value from here, and then click on Create, and here you are. Now let's say for example you had a text like "Hi YouTube" and like that. Let's add the one thing more, which is, let's say you did something like that, some kind of an effect or a decoration in the picture, and you really liked it, and you wanted to like not move each one by its own and move it to something else, somewhere else, but you like to move them both to somewhere else and make it one layer. How to do so? Now, for example, if we like these two, we click on the layer of the first one and the layer of the second one by clicking on Control, and then you click right and click on Merge Layers, and that's how. If we move this one, okay, my bad, we have to click. I didn't choose the correct layer, so guys, make sure to choose the correct layer like I did now. I didn't choose the correct layer, but now after I click on merge shapes, now then both are going to move. So for example, if I put this one here, I can also duplicate it and then do something like so, edit and transform, flip horizontal, and do it in here and make it on every single angle of this picture. Now again, if you want to merge like a text, for example, let's say you can't really edit the text, you can't, for example, erase it or make it fade or make it look like something you want. How can you make it as a layer and then edit it? Well, it's pretty simple. Again, you have to create a layer and then click on the text again with Control, and make sure that you are clicking on the layer and merge layers. Don't click on the text because it will not show the merge layers option. So now let's create and click on merge layers, and now it has been gone into a layer form. So as you can see, now I can make it fade, I can edit it, I can do whatever I want. So that was the tutorial for today guys. Thanks for watching.